Dexta that racially abused in Fort Lauderdale, and this man said he want to do this to Jada Kingdom. Not to mention, Dangel get catch with people, man. And last but not least, LA Lewis gets warm welcome in United Kingdom. Without any further ado, let's jump straight into the video. If it's your first time here, ensure you subscribe now, click that bell icon to turn on your post notifications so you'll be notified whenever JV Radio upload a video or content. Dexta Daps was racially abused in Fort Lauderdale. In a 1 minute video, he explained how disappointed he was and not in his entire life was he ever being discriminated that way as to how he was at that location in Fort Lauderdale.
I'm not a fucking person, but me have to do this. I'm just the biggest racist act in my life. Never see another racist act so big yet in my life. Search for me see there, a place named Rock Bar in a Fort Lauderdale. Never see nothing so racist in my life ever. Right, that's all. Rock Bar, Fort Lauderdale. See that? Right on the beach. Biggest racist act. Me explain later. Big up to everybody on the live. You hear that?
Along with the video, I also captioned this saying, I don't put people down nor talk bad about them. In all honesty, I would much rather say nothing. But sometimes when you don't say anything about the thing that truly matters, the foolishness don't stop. Rock Bar is a nice spot that I would have recommended to anyone, but as of yesterday, them get bench. Clean up y'all racist stuff, blood. Until then, I'm black and I'm proud. So F you, y'all, straight up. Viewers, subscribers, that was what Dexta Daps captioned the 1 minute video saying he was badly treated at the location and he would actually give us more information later as to what really happened. Hope he's doing okay because not everyone can deal with this psychologically. When you're being racially discriminated, it's not something good, you know, and all of this strong can actually survive or overcome it. But I hope Dexta Daps stays strong, you know, and don't let that get him out, and be positive and stay positive because he's really and truly a talented artist and he have fans all over the world. One of Jada Kingdom fans, well, I don't know if it's a fan, but a male DM to show his appreciation as to how much he loved the artist, the budum dudum budum 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 artist, in a way I don't think a lot of persons will understand or accept. And Jada Kingdom said something, I don't know if she found it funny or it was serious. But before we talk about the DM message, let's talk about the caption. Jada Kingdom's caption the post saying, "Stop it, Jonah. That's nasty, Jonah. A Sunday, Jonah. Somebody talk to him, no?" Viewers, subscribers. While you can also see that footer I commented under the post shaking his head, you know it's not something fun. This is the height of nastiness. And we saw where when a particular artist sing about BRAWTA, I mean he came under heavily backlash. But to see this man here, and I cannot, while I can see the picture on your screen, I will not read it out. You know, you can read it out in your mind and you can comment if it's just straight up nastiness or it's just this man showing his love for his artist. I don't know my viewers, subscribers, but be honest. Like, this sound right to you or sound right to you like yuck. My viewers, subscribers, it's just nastiness in my opinion. I mean, we might share different narrative, but anybody with sense would have known that this is just straight up nastiness. We saw where Jada Kingdom hide a piece of the name. His name is Jonah underscore. I don't know what come after, but I mean anybody can find the name. You know, the picture is right there. So I don't know if she deliberately did that on purpose. I don't know, my viewers, subscribers, but it's definitely it's not even funny. Like, it's just nastiness. I don't know why she posted it. I don't know why, but it's just nasty, my viewers, subscribers. But you can share your opinion with your fan. Viewers, subscribers, Dangel posted a picture on her Instagram with she and a gentleman. And right after, moments after she made that post, everybody on social media was saying that it was the Dangel new BF and it was Dangel future husband. It was Dangel side man. All of the speculation was going around on the internet and it was making the rounds on Twitter as well. Before we go any further, let's read what the caption say. Dangel captioned the picture, surround yourself with good people and good energy will flow. Yeah, good people still the boat. Viewers, subscribers. Now, persons saw the caption and therefore were speculating that I guess it's Dangel new boyfriend, not knowing that other persons were involved in the picture as well. I mean, 2 more gentlemen was in the picture, female, in fact 3 gentlemen. Now, it came to understanding that Dangel was basically showing off some outfit that she took for, it seemed as if it was a clothing line, I believe, and not her boyfriend. Even though, I mean, she made a post moment after in the same outfit saying, me have a man now, so stop call and text me. You shoulda shame. We don't know why she made that post with that caption. I mean, persons were saying that, yeah man, it's Dangel new boyfriend of course. But, you know, as entertainers and Dangel of course, you know, once you're relevant, it's everything. So I guess that's the reason why she made that caption. But of course, your subscribers know it's not Dangel boyfriend. She was basically taking pictures for a clothing line, and that's how she just share a few persons where that was also there. But it's definitely not Dangel new boyfriend. We are still to find out who is Dangel new man. I mean, if that caption really meant something, we are still waiting to see. Well, y'all are waiting to see. I don't care one bit, you know. But congrats to Dangel if she find a new man based on her caption in that post. You know what I mean? Dangel has always been someone I look up to. I mean, I can recall taking a picture with her back in New Kingston about 2 years ago or so, you know. So yes, I am a fan. But viewer subscribers, what you think? Do you think? Comment in the comment section below. We're moving along. aIly Lewis receives warm welcome in the United Kingdom. He says, viewer subscribers, we also have a picture of real aIly Lewis in United Kingdom taking pictures with fans, I believe. And if you're new to what is going on, aIly Lewis basically left or fled the island a day or 2 ago in support for Prince Philip, the husband of Britain's Queen Elizabeth II, who died at the age of 99. Viewer subscribers, if you can visit aIly Lewis page, he made a post about 3 hours ago at the time of me recording this video saying, thank God I land safety in England for Grandpa Philip funeral. Jamaica, I will be back soon to deal with Andrew Holness. Viewer subscribers, to be honest, I don't know what's wrong with this young man, but based on the picture that I'm looking at, he's having a wonderful time, viewer subscribers. Don't ask me if he's really in England, you know, but judging by what I'm seeing a few white people here and there, and I don't know. I'm just confused. This is just stressing me out, my viewer subscribers. But I mean, I have some real smart listeners and subscribers who will figure it out, but I don't know. He's posting pictures saying the people of England welcome me. That's what he captioned a few pictures saying. So I guess, I mean, he's getting all the love in England. I don't know how he managed to get over that side though, even though travel restriction was placed against England. I don't know, my viewer subscriber, but I guess aIly Lewis is aIly Lewis, you know, and he can do what only he can do. But that's it for now, viewer subscribers. You know, comment and don't forget to share and like the video. Also, until next time, just for Jada, I'm out.